Check 1, 2. Ito ba yung tinatawag niya ng voiceover? Hi, my name is Lisha and welcome to one of my travel vlogs. I hope may kasunod mo. So today pupunta tayo sa Kalikuan, which is an island na nasa pinakabuntot ng Samar. And one very interesting thing about this island is may waves siya for surfing. Yung pinaka-tsakang part talaga ng biyahe na ito is really the transportation kasi from our town, you have to travel 8 hours. And if you are a turista who wants to go to this island, the fastest way that you can get here is to go to Tacloban. Kasi from Tacloban, it's already 4 hours away. If you're from Manila, that's the easiest way. And if you're from Cebu, the fastest way is to go to Ormoc. And then you have to do a land travel for like 60.
Room na. Kasi, dalawa.
Tsaka pala, their language is Waray. And for you to communicate with the locals, sa mga tindahan, sa mga staff, sa mga tao sa paligid mo is for you to speak Tagalog. Dinatry ko din magsalita ng Bisaya, but mas mamaintindihan nila yung Tagalog. And one interesting thing about this island is it is actually facing the same ocean as Siargao. And that is the Pacific Ocean. That's why, if makikita nyo sa video earlier, maganda talaga yung waves niya. Kasi it's basically the same waves that you see from Siargao Island. And if you've been to Siargao, as I've said, yung Pacifico Island, it has the same vibe. Only on Kalikuan or in Kalikuan, it is very, very less yung tao. Wala talaga masyadong tao. Sa mga susunod na kabanata, wala kayong ibang makikita kundi yung pag-ayos lang talaga ng bangs ko. Kasi nga lately, or I think last month, kinat ko yung bangs ko. Kasi akala ko yung parang magiging Korean, yung parang window, curtain bangs. Tapos hindi pala. Tsaka share ko na din pala. Nag-lose talaga ako ng weight kasi 4 weeks na akong nag-gym. And I'm so happy. Kasi my body feels lighter and I get to move a lot ngayon na nag-gym na ako. And life-changing talaga, be. Siya makita. Wala pa siya sport karon. Naka-landscape ra ni ha. Hala. Hala, charot. What's this? Is this lavender? No. Wow. Isa.